Now let's talk about the product line of the ARM version 7-8 architecture and ARM version 8-8 architecture. Those architecture is one of the profile of the ARM processor. The ARM architecture provide three different architecture profile. That is A profile, an R profile, and M profile. But in this table, what you can see is the product line of ARM processor in A profile architecture. In case of ARM version 7-8 architecture, Cortex-A5 and Cortex-A7, Cortex-A9 processor can be included in ARM version 7-8 architecture. The ARM version 7 architecture support 32-bit the execution environment. The length of your size of the register is 32-bit, and instead, if you analyze assembly instruction with the register, you can identify that size of the word is 64-bit. So in the ARM version 8 architecture, the most used product line of the ARM processor is Cortex-A53, Cortex-A57, Cortex-A72, and there are additional product line of the ARM processor that is included in ARM version 8 architecture. So if you first look at the reference manual of your project, the first thing you have to do is to check the version of the architecture. And next thing to do is to identify the product line of the ARM processor that is embedded in your chipset. Now that you got to know about the product line of the ARM version 7-8 architecture along with ARM version 8 architecture, so let's look at the end product based on ARM version 8 based processor. These days, most of the smartphones are based on the ARM version 9-8 architecture. Remember that ARM version 9-8 architecture is come from the extension of ARM version 8, the 5-rate architecture. So we can say that the smartphone is coming from based on ARM version 8 architecture these days, but most of the features of ARM version 9-8 architecture is comparable to ARM version 8.5 architecture. And another product is AI devices. Many of the AI devices based on Cortex-A78, Cortex-A77, and especially in the product in the automotive sector, many of the ARM version 8 based processor are used in number of the unit in automotive sector, especially in the automotive system, in the infotainment system. The ARM-based processor are widely used. And digital TV is widely used the ARM version 8 based processor, and server, cloud computing, and end product are utilizing the ARM-based chipset. So now that you got to know about the product line of ARM version 7-8 and ARM version 8 architecture, the next lecture we will explore the ARM processor family that include Cortex-A, Cortex-R, Cortex-M series.